Abuja for Marco Bed back in Sports, our YouTube, but we video we share now like now subscribe. We are still in the camp of El Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But for Mammy, I was a season baby and we and sensing be brave and I see Kumasi Asante Kotoko as you say you pay new IMC, say you pay board of directors, say you pay CU, say you pay secretary, say you pay coach. Nina and some elko so Kumasi Asante Kotoko as you players as a moko, players as a motana, Nina and some elko so Kumasi Asante Kotoko as you. The woman says, "See, I know a bread any ho and farmer Asante Kotoko." Some book can you must see an intent and there's some way piano. Mutimi board no ready. IMC for you ready. CEO you ready. Board of directors for you ready. Coach you ready. No more signings are on bay. Nobody has started next season. It's a bread any ho Emma commercials and Kotoko. And as of now, you who senior and your mark after say the board of directors in every year. After say ye or more on that certain position and we still adwuma no as I stand still who's in charge of commercial and Koto see you can say you don't know who's in charge of commercial and Koto as the same way and Pepe Suarez a day na no tomb say as a time or but I say bibia stand still. Moreover, Patrick Asiedu issue no so you who baby a sisi a nti no mpenifo nkeka omo saa se mpenifo nkeka ne omambom na enwoma ntumi enkoyi enfama eye commercial Asante Kotoko umi enkotie Richard Suarez Pepe abra na ode saa nsem we ema eye tiefo ne ahwefo umi enkotie Richard emra sisi
a ahwefo ba bia wo bia no this is filler time.
Nice.
Abuja pensa me jam.
Richard Pepe Suarez.
And now me say oni watiefo no boss Asante Kotoko. One appointment o maye no. Me de edin no e de bebra.
Yes.
Asante Kotoko appointment. Na yem fan to just say as we speak. Board no appointed a lawyer. Oye mrenimni. Na oye board secretary. Asante Kotoko transition on behalf of the board who's here transitioner said nanwa MPP aban Kwame NDC aban abai.
Yes.
NDC transition na ye current chief of staff and any DNM Julius Debra. MPP de na ye the then chief of staff and any DNM no my BB and afi ya hand over transition na e koso no the penny lawyer we na e DNM e de ma Asante Kotoko the thing Alex Kofi Osei Owusu. Okay. Alex Kofi Osei Owusu Esquire ono ena Asante Kotoko nei oye the board secretary. Okay. Na only the transition abua amanioma koyie e de amakrobia Asante Kotoko.
Fantastic.
Metema no kwasem ne se opanyino mfa se na dwumade ni kura ase ache. One IMC no alazy one IMC no adin komo or documents free IMC or busa questions free he does that for and on behalf of the board.
Nice one.
So he's been doing that work. Nidino Alex Kofi Osei Owusu one and Asante Kotoko board secretary as we speak.
Richard Pepe Suarez the fella man.
Appointment Bribery ebe to aso.
Nice one.
Asante Kotoko appointment Bribery ebe to aso. But mami nyina hana menkasem emfankyere board no say abusia free na no mbeka de bi ebu muze na pepe o mo pressure na pepe na mo pressure ya mnim ba bi o mba je me pressure ni free ba abusia pan.
Yes sir.
No kwasem wo mpa ne say me kai sa ber 1 month ago say board no muni bre
yeah
na me nyanya na mbeja aka muni bre kura abusia pan.
Okay.
There is a huge vacuum at Asante Kotoko as we speak. Na se nana ubenya krata na appointee Kotoko IMC there be Kotoko board no. So ubenya na odi ato page no so a kabe board discussion pa Japan.
Yes sir.
It was enshrined in there, black and white, no ambiguity about it. Say na adwuma yede ema Asante Kotoko management ebeba wiye after the season.
Yes.
Abusua season end here. Me enam pese bi busa questions if you Asante Kotoko ha. Abusua men damani emfa nko IMC no hobiem.
Yes.
per krataa na efiri manhyia fikasiem ɛbaeɛ no Asante Kotoko IMC de bɛpanyi ɔmo adwuma abawiye na the board of Asante Kotoko and as with immediate effect of bɛpanyi wɔnom act in the interest of the club as a board no yɛ adwuma ntɛntɛntɛntɛntɛntɛntɛntɛntɛntɛ na mede krataa no asɛnde o mede krataa no asɛnde o ɔse Manhyia Palace is pleased to announce that His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Asiedu II Asante Hene has appointed a new board of directors for Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. The chairman of the board is Mr. James Osei Brown, Chief Executive Officer of Joshop Construction, with Mr. Kwesi Osei Ofori, Chief Executive Officer of Rockshore, as the Vice Chairman. Other appointees are Mr. Kofi Amwa Aban, Founder and Chief Executive of Rigworld Group. The new team is expected to assume the statutory oversight responsibility of the board immediately. However, the interim management committee will continue to perform the management duties until the end of the 2025-2026 Premier League season. Okay? Brofono, are you clear? Or say until the end of the 2025-2026 Premier League season. One can say football season. Secretary can say football season. And you call Congress, we are. And I am year season. Or say until the end of the 2025-2026 Premier League season. I'm Japan Premier League above Yanazi Monye. Ghana Premier League above Yanazi Monye. The Ghana Premier League ended last weekend.
Yeah.
Ghana Premier League I ended last weekend. Krata ye Freeman Shafik Yembai. Actually, see about Premier League New Year. Kotoko IMC no majuma abawiye.
Yeah.
As a minim, there is a vacuum. As a creative vacuum be, and board no. Some na ye juma no. Say IMC na ye juma. But me say me. Said ye me see a respect to authority. Any krata we a Freeman Shabai. Minim san na me pebi bia wa Asante Kotoko. IMC why enye ye biem Kotoko wasem bia ko busa bia no aye nyoma atwam na apese obusa ho. But who is running Kotoko now is the board of directors of Asante Kotoko, as this statement has indicated. But abusa panyi, there is a vacuum.
87.9
me na secretary bia baba ntekra board no nya aware sani ezom de omojuma to krata eje samona mu yetim no so obi atro krata e wo mu di mu so nya aware mpanyifo monima we de yesere mu a sansensem no mi hu mfa so awo so ya boss season na we IMC no me so omojuma gu me meti ayi me nua panyine safuduku osanso I am a lawyer.
Yes.
But be no about Asante Kotoko e ko ni mama busa safuduku aje se bibia esi ya atwam na mpesa me claim adwe wo ho a me ko busa se lawyer di ma na se Kotoko nkan kro de wo mo nkan ho biam krata ne che so madwuma gu
Sure.
me pe bibia busa wa Asante Kotoko ne ya me musa Kotoko IMC chairman the payun de chairman ya bre sa asem ya Patrick Asiedu ana obi afra me enti Patrick akwa reporto na in fact Saturday say IMC chairman ekọ Central Police Station obi
Yeah.
and the payun say na ya ka say na na pen kra ko say wasansem na sie ni he has no business with it again. Because he cannot hold himself out as Kotoko chairman biemo. Oh yes sir. Krata ye free on one ura ho ebae no. No one fa bua amfa makrata no. And I know the last person. The last thing na pen kra be say. And some free ni ura no aba no. Oni sa asem no so. And told himself zabanyi. Ma men kan kra ncha say sa asem no omo be so mo ye na foolish case e wo police station because police for no mo twan say Kotoko be back forward.
Yes.
Miss, if I put myself in the shoes of the napping, I can't follow that case again. Because you have been here. Lawyer Safuduku cannot follow it because Lawyer Safuduku, he was appointed by the IMC to act. IMC, Omojumagua, naturally, Unswajumagu.
Yeah.
So I can't fast one and I'm bossing the man to be free. Nobody gave them a letter. They were appointed by a certain board. That board, after 3 years, was dissolved by His Royal Majesty. You dissolve it, you know. All appointees of the board. Kaput. Obiani.
Yeah.
As I mean, what the board no who come so more pressure. Minim de omo mo dwene sa ya no mpese. Me say ho na ye Kotoko adwuma. Kotoko dampan. But I insist Kotoko dampan because Krata na freeman jabai no. He gave responsibility to some people. And those people are supposed to act. Some catch us na no dia Castro our London no. Ato nipa ni bi so akoma so.
Fantastic.
Ama nipa ni bebrebe say pepe. Say sika na nkompa so mo bribe Asiedu anye no de call no. Mo de answer ya ba jiji says kan dia ma boy no. Ya ka say Castro 1000 de di kan wa Asiedu.
Yes.
Ben e Australia. And no more kompa so mo boa in that direction ni na. My phone number is 0243 574149. 0243 574149. Ubetumi ede also ujitum se a branch in sharing munyama. Mi mo number no. Asiedu efre no. But Asiedu did not speak to the person for more than 20 seconds. Sa same way, me say Kotoko person mo investigation they can unravel this. On nanga say no 20 seconds. O kati di pakro and o frere ono Asiedu ni nua panyi o any manager. Sa bra sem say no bia fe say no afre o papa oni nipa o friends o papa no. Nana Penkra. Asiedu friend Nana Penkra 3 times. O enya no. Ansa na ne bra ka say okay friend nipa kro no record nipa kro no conversation bi ono be record say na be ya china 70. Na Kotoko company for one number ben wontem o say am say Chamales o say na ka Chamales friend pay for mo friend na pay grab on man here. How all of a sudden we say o ma Asiedu na be ni pabo ni wa that's kasa no asem say me to mbo ho nya say bia na I will use words I don't want to use. Me just if I were in the shoes of Asiedu, nipa bi umbe mo pa o. Kama busa pasa, nipa we nyina mo dwene si so pe. How do you blame me, sir? And I see do kra no, we yi press na ma. On person ka say go jis ka no. We yi press na ma, wo person chese una we. Na den one free captain. And one catch samba. I don't one catch team manager. Nsem say ya basa. Nwanwunai nyansa bia ni msabe nice o mu Kotoko company for na ada na Penkra ho na akoka asem che chairman Asiedu ka akoma to yam but appointment maka cho say GF ni be si na show interest asem na AI foolish case met maka cho pa say enne ko bi akopanyini ba ko so panyini ba ko aka kira akora no so bi happen so ko bia obetima akora me asem no kwa ze omo so bia be pache onji entwa so nji we entwa so me see when aka say ball tantan omo so na say no player no involving ko form ya kwaje $1,000 obi nsema chi obi omo so panyini ba ko pache o na ma me ka sem cha Asante Kotoko board da bia and why has some take your same way extremely serious. Udi. Share diabeba obitrim so obetma bribe Kotoko player anya results no. Actually say one nipa kono omu Asante Kotoko bobo kono kra. No hu say Kotoko na mu ha.
97.9 Kumasi.
Esa kaya the other way around say Kotoko na has the akesefo. To omu tim de omu hu no to obi so. Ye koduru ba bia. Obitimi ni share the team say me ne Kotoko game. na ma memfrɛ kɔtɔkɔ player na mema ne sika no wɔnyɛ mu mfama yɛn a ɛkyerɛ sɛ nipa ko no ɔmmu kɔtɔkɔ bɔɔbɔ ko no and this is why ɛyɛ sɛ kɔtɔkɔ mpanyimfoɔ fa sɛ wɔyɛ serious but me sɛ a yɛka sɛ nobody is there to act na na penkra time aso ne management kɔ board no nya appointee obiara lawyer me bɔ ne din lawyer Alex Kofi Osewusu ɔno na memfa sɛ interim ogyina mu a abusapanyin ɔto nneɛma nkakrakra no kɔsɛm ne sɛ kɔtɔkɔ no woda mpan sɛ all blacks panyini ɛtumi nya confidence sɛ mefrɛ kɔtɔkɔ players akɔ bribe no woyɛ kɔtɔkɔ panyini yɛde kɔtɔkɔ agya wo ɛnhaw
mebɛ kumase
abɛ bribe kɔtɔkɔ no mabɛhyɛ kɔtɔkɔ wɔ kumase
Asante Kotoko.
na no na ɛsɛ kasi edu penalty ne baeɛ no ɔpia samba gyina mu na ɔbɔ hyɛ ko pia no kapito gyina nkyɛn na ɔyɛ wia a wokɔkɔ mu yɛɛ ne ɛwɔ ha na nkɔ poma short hyɛ soro baabi but deɛ bɛsi ɛwɔ mu no busapanyin ɛnya asi awie nti mɛsrɛ Asante Kotoko board ne sɛ ɔmo take charge of the club ne yɛde gya wɔ mo no na ɛkame ayɛ sɛ club na ho da mpan dodo mese ɛyɛ me nwanwa yɛ me fɛre sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ all blacks panyini tibiri hyɛ ne tirim sɛ yɛmfrɛ refi bi wɔ Kumase ne wɔmwae ne yɛnkɔ bribe kɔtɔkɔ players ne yɛnkɔ hyɛ kɔtɔkɔ wɔ Kumase adeɛ wei sɛ nha board no abusuapanyin ɛyɛ me nwanwa paa o sɛ nha wɔ mo a ɛyɛ me nwanwa paa abusuapanyin sɛ bɛgyampo
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
yɛntoa so ɛwɔ ha na Ghana Football Association foɔ no